Okay, boys, today's video is on how to clean your concrete with a pressure washer. Now, this is my SPX4000 by SunJoe. Got me a little head there, a little surface cleaner, and you need two things. You need water. Turn that thing on all the way. And this is an electric, so you got to plug it in. Now, once you do that, come on over here and press the button. Right, here we go. Okay, boys, we're getting the hang of her now. Just a nice, easy, steady. Nice and easy, boys. Turtle wins the race. You don't got to put too much pressure on her. Just let her glide right along. Look at that. Would you just look at that, boys? Woohoo! All right, boys, so we just cleaned off a pretty good sized section. And what you want to do is get you a second hose, because you want to blow off all that dirt. Find you a nice tree if you can. Give it a good drink, because we don't want that dirt drying back up on the concrete. That won't make Nancy happy. So go ahead and blow that off. And I know it's starting to get a little dark, boys, but we don't stop working until we can't see anymore, right? And that's when it's supper time. So anyways, boys, hope you enjoyed my video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.